So let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, do also click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start with our trend first on our Euro JPY. So first thing first, we can see that our Euro JPY is in an uptrend move. So this is a very much bullish move. Now zoom it out right here. So this is the high on odd Euro JPY. Then here comes the higher low. So markets push up to form another higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market was able to push up again and it formed another higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? The market pushed up again. It formed another higher high and here comes the higher low. So market push up again. It formed another higher high and here comes the higher low. Then here comes the higher high and market was able to give us a pullback which is an higher low. So now with this higher low, we should be expecting market to push up again till it is able to form a new higher high. So that is one of the reasons why I said for the day we should be expecting EURJPY to give us a bullish move. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting next on our EURJPY. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see here, we had a multiple rejection at this one here. So there was a multiple rejection and there is a rejection here and here comes the rejection. So market push up right and now this is the pullback. So we are expecting another push up on EURJPY. So another push up. So our next target on EURJPY is the level of 184. That should be our next target on EURJPY. The level of 184 should be our next target. Now, if there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. Therefore, you need to miss out on any updates. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.